Hi friends, Holi is round the corner and everyone is excited, I'm sure. Thankfully in Amazon I got the same day delivery t-shirt with digital printing for Happy Holi, and the other one I bought is a white t-shirt which I hand painted with some fabric colors. Let me show you both the t-shirts in this video. This t-shirt is available in various sizes like small, medium, XL, double XL and triple XL also. I have ordered double XL and the material is also very good. It's stretchable. The best part is it is delivered in the same day. So if you place an order in the morning, by the evening it will be delivered to your place. So this t-shirt is for my son, but when I tried to order a t-shirt with same type of print for myself, I had a bad luck because this t-shirt which says Burana Mano Holi hai, it looks so nice and it cost very less than the male one. It's only 125, but as you can see the delivery date is after Holi. Holi के बाद ये Holi t-shirt कौन पहनता है? So I had no choice other than ordering a plain white t-shirt. Let me show you that. I got this t-shirt in around about 325 and it's a pack of 2. One is in white color. The other one is such a lovely lavender color, and the material is also very soft and stretchable. So on this white t-shirt I will quickly write Holi hai. So let's do that. So I placed a cardboard beneath the t-shirt and then I use the scale and pencil to outline the letters that I'll be writing on the t-shirt. Now I'll be coloring these letters. I wrote Holi hai, and to color this I'll be using fabric colors, and I will need to hold the t-shirt tightly in its place because if it moves then it will be a problem to color them. But unfortunately I don't have the embroidery rings. I had ordered but it haven't reached yet, so I'm using these clips. It hardly took 15 minutes to complete this t-shirt for Holi because you don't need to be an artist or a perfectionist to draw this. Next day when you wear it and play Holi, it will be anyway getting dirty with lot more colors. I will be using some random colors on my palm and I'll just have an impression of the fingers on the t-shirts like this. So the Holi vibes have already started pouring in with the spread of this fabric colors on my palm. So here are the two t-shirts, one with the digital printing and the other one is my own hand painting. Do let me know which one you like the best. Please check the description box of this video for the links of both the t-shirts, the embroidery ring and the fabric colors. Here I want to wish everyone a very happy and a safe Holi. Have a very happy weekend. So thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel to get home decor videos, shopping hauls and DIY projects every Sunday with me.